And then we'll go ahead and seal. If you feel like scratchy around the crystal when you are going to seal, you check it first. Don't squeeze anything out yet, but you are going to check. If you feel scratchy right here, you are going to squeeze out just a little bit. Just a little bit. Little go a long way. If you feel like you definitely need extra, you can definitely key it for 30 seconds and then flash key it first and then go back and seal it again. So I'm going to go ahead and seal this on the frames around the metal charms right here. But not touching on the, but not seals all the crystal, because you want to keep the crystal sparkle in the cut. Stay nice. And without getting like a dough from the top coat or precision glue gels or anything else. So I'm go ahead and do the second nails. It's already dry. So I'm going to check right here. If you're scratchy, when you do that, you also see the customer feel it as well. And you go ahead and seals on the edges. And as I said, you again, if you need extra like seal more than just one time, you can key it for 30 seconds and then go back and seal it again. And here you go. All right, so key this one for 60 seconds. The first one, I'm going to using the Ultimate Crystal Kits, and I'm going to add just a couple of the crystal on the top of the bows. Using precision glue gels.
Okay, before that, give me that.
This is so cute and it's so simple.